In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a job in front-end development in 2026 step by step. If you want to break into front-end development, the path becomes much easier when you focus on the right skills in the right order. Start by learning HTML well. Focus on semantic HTML, forms, links, images, tables, and clean page structure. This matters not just for building pages, but also for accessibility and SEO, which employers care about. Next, learn CS. Get comfortable with selectors, the box model, flexbox, grid, responsive design, typography, animations, and modern layout techniques. Good front-end JavaScript developers do more than make things functional. They also make interfaces clear, polished, and usable on different screen sizes. After that, move into JavaScript. Learn variables, functions, arrays, objects, DOM manipulation, events, APIs, asynchronous JavaScript, and error handling. JavaScript is a core part of front-end work, so take time to really understand how it works rather than just copying code. You should also learn Git and GitHub. Practice making commits, working with branches, using repositories, and understanding pull requests. These are standard tools in real development workflows and are expected in team environments. Once you feel comfortable with JavaScript, learn a front-end framework such as React, and then explore the tools commonly used around it. At the same time, make sure you understand responsive and accessible design. Your websites should work well on phones, tablets, and desktops, and they should support keyboard navigation, proper labels, semantic structure, and good color contrast. Another important skill is working with APIs. Practice fetching and displaying data, and handling loading states, error states, and empty states properly. This is a very common part of front-end jobs. Then start building real projects instead of relying only on tutorials. Useful examples include a personal portfolio, a to-do app, a weather dashboard, an e-commerce site, a blog, an admin dashboard, or a booking interface. Aim to build 3 to 5 strong portfolio projects that each show different skills. Include a live demo, repository screenshots, and a short explanation of what you built. Create your own developer portfolio website and include an introduction, your technical skills, projects, GitHub, LinkedIn, contact information, and resume. Also, keep your GitHub profile professional by making your best projects public, writing clear README files, and keeping your code organized. When writing your resume, focus on front-end skills, projects, education, certifications, and relevant experience. Emphasize what you built, not just what you studied. You can use AI tools to learn and work faster, but use them responsibly. Make sure you understand and can explain any code you submit. When you're ready to apply, search for entry-level roles like junior front-end developer, junior web developer, React developer, UI developer, web developer, front-end engineer, or software developer focused on front-end. Also apply for internships, apprenticeships, freelance work, and junior roles if you need that first professional experience. Customize every application so your resume and portfolio match the technologies in the job description. Then prepare for interviews by reviewing JavaScript, HTML, CSS, DOM manipulation, responsive design, accessibility, APIs, Git, and your framework. Practice coding challenges involving arrays, strings, objects, functions, and basic algorithms. Finally, be ready to explain your projects clearly, including your decisions, your challenges, what went wrong, and what you would improve. Keep learning while you keep applying, and your chances will improve with every project and every interview.